we are
At our house.
in Baltimore.
Friday
It's
night.
Friday night.
Come
And we
back
want
to
you to
live.
meet our friends.
Friday night live.
Look, here's Anna. This is
Here are our
Anna.
friends. So
What is that?
it's a Friday night and we are going out.
Because we're single.
Yeah. We're trying to meet our husbands tonight. Oh, comment below if you're single too.
Comment below. Okay, no, this is serious. Comment below if you met your boyfriend at a bar, because that's what we're going for.
Yeah, and if you have any ideas where to meet a guy, let us know. Because we're
And don't tell us Match.com, don't tell us Tinder, and don't tell us Bumble, because we're over it.
over it. Okay, so we have some special guests
Here's
here.
our special guest.
You might recognize some
Where'd
of
you
them.
go?
Maria!
Hi, friends.
You remember her from
Hibachi.
yeah. And we have
Why are we grouped together? I want my own.
Anna!
And Rachel.
and
Ew.
and of course Bear, as always.
Use any of this.
So yeah, we're just getting ready for
Put me
our
back in
big
it.
night out. Yep.
If this only happens like once a month,
Yeah, so you won't be seeing a lot of us going out, but
enjoy it while it lasts.
enjoy while it lasts.
All right, check in with you guys later.
Question.
Do you guys wear your Apple Watches when you go out? Because we're thinking about wearing our Apple Watches out just to meet our move goals for the night. Because, you know, it is Friday night, so we didn't get a great workout in today. But,
Or none at all.
yeah, I mean, I jogged in
But
place
let
for a
us
few
know
minutes.
down below.
Yeah, let us know. And, like,
What else? That's it. Just
Okay,
let us know. Is it okay to wear your Apple Watch out? Let us
yeah.
know.
And also, what's the average amount of calories you burn while out dancing, having fun?
All right, so we're doing this new section called 5 Hot Steamy Questions with Maria, and Katie and Danielle are gonna be the first ones to go. So, all right, y'all ready?
I'm Danielle.
And I'm Katie, and this
All
is
right.
Bear.
All right, quick. These have
Oh,
to be quick. Okay,
rapid
okay,
fire.
okay. Okay. Last person you had sex with.
Whoa.
Okay, last kiss.
The
last
moms
kiss.
won't like this.
Last
No, the moms
kiss.
don't like any of this.
I haven't disappointed here.
And there's probably been a stranger. There's
Yeah.
definitely been a stranger.
Favorite date. Like ideal date.
PF Chang's with my PF thing when I used to have a boyfriend.
To go on an
Cut.
ideal date, it would be to the beach.
If I could get an ideal
one.
date,
long
Hashtag.
Long walks on the beach.
if I could get an ideal date,
Next.
it would be with any boy ever. Like I just need a boy.
Okay, what's your type? Like
Brown hair.
your ideal man.
Brown hair, tall, blue eyes.
Gay.
I don't give
Gay.
a fuck what they're either.
My ideal,
They're probably gay, but I didn't know they're gay yet.
my ideal boy is someone who will let me boss him around, but also will boss me around.
But they're not gonna be. Yeah.
Who'd you kiss on New Year's?
Allison Brie.
Maria, I guess Maria.
Me. If you could have one man right now, first person that comes up to your mind, who
Robbie
is it?
Jones.
Stop it!
Who is it? Who is it?
Sebastian Cardano from Meredith.
He's gay too. He's gay too.
Oh, he might- wait,
He's
no,
gay
no,
too.
Cut it! Cut it!
Okay. And then last,
He's not gay. He's just
No, he's gay. He's gay. He's gay.
great job. A thumbs
I
up
used
this
to
video
like
if
doggy
they killed
style.
it.
Wait,
Thumbs
I
up.
can elaborate. I can elaborate.
Oh yeah, tell Katie wants to tell you about her doggy style story. This is gonna be cut. So.
I used to hate doggy style. And then I got back with my ex-boyfriend. He always wanted to do a doggy style. And I was like, okay. And I got cool with the doggy style. Flash forward 3 months, he's gay. So
That's why he liked doggy style.
that's why he
Guys,
liked doggy style. He also liked my hair in a ponytail. so
like this video if that story is relatable.
Like down below and subscribe.
let us know if your boyfriend's ever turned gay. Let us know.
We love gay people. This is an
Goodness.
inclusive channel.
Story.
We were just wondering.
Just let us
We
know.
love
This
gay.
video is
Yeah,
gonna be
we love.
My
I
brother.
hate the gays.
Hey, my
Okay.
brother's gay, not out. So shh. It's 11 o'clock. We're almost ready
to call a car.
Yeah, to call a car. When you're a YouTuber like us, like you don't drive yourself.
And we don't mess with cabs. We get like a sedan.
We get the
Not a sedan. What do they call it if it's not a
I said
sedan?
no new friends or boys.
An SUV.
SUV.
We call it an SUV.
Hi.
Who the fuck is that? Just kidding.
She didn't sign the waiver.
Yeah, we'll blur her face, don't you worry. Okay.
This is Rachel.
This is Rachel.
And this is nice to meet you. So this is Rachel. She's Anna's roommate.
And
She's 20 She's 22 years old.
So we're about to call an Uber.
No, a car. We're gonna call a car.
We're gonna go to Federal Hill. If any of you guys have ever heard of that spot.
No, don't tell them where we
No,
live.
it's fine. Federal Hill's a big
Don't tell
space.
Don't tell the
Rope
thugs.
Walk. No, seriously. If you guys want to come to Rope Walk, like it's a good
Yeah,
time.
but feel free to tell the thugs. It's okay. We'll find our way back in tonight.
Not the thugs.
I'm not gay.
We're meeting some of our.
I like boys.
Shut up! We're meeting one of our good friends, Carly. When we were
We're not good friends.
Yeah, I was gonna say, are we good
We're
friends?
like borderline friends.
when we were in college.
Danielle has dreams about her.
Yeah, she does.
I'm gonna have to cut this whole fucking scene because of Anna. Friends, Carly. Maybe we'll make a video with her one day. I don't know.
Probably not.
Old times.
Don't count on it.
She's a college friend, so like, we'll see.
Not a lifelong friend.
She's one of my bridesmaids in my future wedding.
What?
I'm
so thirsty for bridesmaids. Okay.
I love Carly.
Okay, we'll check in with you guys later.
Carly.
We're gonna call our car service and then we're gonna go.
Yeah, our car service. If you guys want to like this video, we really need money for our car service. So just like down below so we could get that extra like. Okay, we're a little bit mad because we just took our car to the bars and he took the wrong way.
on purpose.
Which like normally I'm like whatever, but Katie like was really pissed.
I know. I've been on
Should we complain? Let us know. I don't know. Like we're not really like this doesn't really happen to us that often.
Yeah,
but
I spit, she spit, we all spit on his floor.
I didn't spit, but
we wish we did.
right.
We wish
Guys, we finally found Carly. What the fuck?
These are the other vloggers, in case you didn't know. Hey guys, we found Carly.
We found Carly. It only took us about like 8 seconds, but we found her. Yeah, we're so happy.
really
They call her
hard.
me because they're obsessed with me. We're
Oh,
obsessed.
well,
Obsessed. Okay, look how pretty she is.
And our house is nicer than Carly's.
I live with my parents. Yikes! Cut that out, Danielle. Cut it out.
Your name's Scott?
Yes.
Did we go to Howard County General Hospital in July?
So, okay, yeah, we are. So, me, Katie, and Carly. Carly.
Sign
Me and Katie
in.
and Carly turning left. Used to be BFFs. Alright, we're turning left. She found cooler friends. Okay. Oh my god, let's be honest. I swear to god, it's not me. Not that cool. Not that much cooler. Danny, be careful. Okay, I'll cut it. She's a really bad vlogger and walker. Vlogger sound?
Are you famous?
Don't know.
YouTube famous?
We're never gonna be famous.
Wow.
Except Anya deleted hers, so we're famous.
But she's
for
doing a
Anya.
boyfriend.
So, that's not Carly. Where did Carly go? Where the fuck did Carly go? Carly just. She really just leave my vlog. It's Danny's birthday. Happy birthday to you. 2 minutes long. I cut it. I'm an editor. Happy birthday. Okay, so I used to be the only Danielle in Tri Delta. Then Danny joined, and then we were both Danny's.
4 of us.
What? Okay, well I graduated, but yeah, we were the original OG Danny's, and that's recording. It wasn't recording. Theta.
They tried.
She's not a Theta. Not a Theta.
Some of us are still in the chapter. Thank you.
You're still in the chapter.
Yes, I graduated May, honey.
Carly's friends with girls still in chapter. That's fucking weird. Anyways, subscribe down below. Comment, like, subscribe. Thanks. I fucking do. I swear to God.
I can't wait. Please share the link on your Insta.
I will.
The link, I better have access. You can follow her on Insta.
Yeah.
She'll tag the link.
This
10 out of 10 would recommend.
This girl's name is Morgan. That's all I have to say about that.
Hey, don't forget me. Don't forget me.
I had to be in the vlog.
What happened to Amy's voice?
We don't care.
Okay, let's be real. Guys, real talk. I was honestly never friends with Danny and Katie. No. Real talk. Me, Carly, and Katie, we're the fucking trio. There you are, 3, trio. And then I stopped being friends with them, obviously for a reason. This is Amy. She's not even a tryout.
I am.
Morgan's kind of one, but like...
Turn it off.
Amy, shut up!
She's trying to kill your hopes and dreams. Don't let her do that.
Literally, no one likes Amy.
Follow your hopes, follow your dreams. You'll achieve.
So, this is Morgan. One of her friends is Anya. She also has
No, we don't live together anymore. It's just me and Sarah that live together.
Okay, well, I'll link Anya's channel down below. If Amy Adams doesn't go the fuck away, I'm gonna kill myself. Who else? Okay. Hello! Amy, leave me alone! Hey guys, just wanna let you know, Carly has to pee. So we'll be back in after this commercial break. Oh, hold on. Welcome to my vlog!
Hello.
Hey! So, well, Carly's just peeing. Stop, literally. I never called her Danielle. So, we're at the bar with Carly. As you can see, we both didn't finish our shot. Shocker. TBT to freshman, sophomore, junior, and senior year of college.
Get to know each other.
Was it good? No.
Look, that's my roommate.
Sorry, I'm a vlogger. Katie's also a vlogger.
I'm just trying to get to know your friend.
She's
here.
not.
Okay, good. Okay, say bye to the vlog.
Is it for the vlog? Should we say? Okay, ready?
Katie and what's your name?
Oh, this is for the vlog. What's
It's actually not
It's
a picture. It's
Derek.
a video.
Derek?
Say your name for the. Okay. Excuse me, sir.
It's Derek, I'm sorry.
It's Derek. What's your last name?
I'll cut that out because we don't need last names in the vlogs. But, we're just waiting for our food right now. Honestly, this is ridiculous. Katie, Maria. I mean, we could talk more. We could talk more about it, I guess, tomorrow. Not gonna last. Also, this is what I'm doing right now.
Stay awake. I don't know what number your food is, but stay awake.
Okay, we're not very awake. Did you order food, Maria?
No.
Okay.
You wouldn't be single if I met her a long time ago.
Interview. Where'd you guys meet?
Where did we meet, Derek?
We met at the
At the bar.
Crossbar
The
Beer Garden.
Crossbar, the beer garden. That's where we met.
What was your first date?
At the
Tomorrow.
Crossbar.
Tomorrow.
No, it was the Crossbar.
y'all are gay. No, listen. Tomorrow at brunch is our official first date.
When are we gonna have our first baby?
Tomorrow.
Well, let's not get carried away.
No, not tomorrow.
No, like 3 years at
3 years. How old are you?
22.
Okay.
I'm 21. I turned 22 in a
He's
month.
younger than me. We gotta go. We gotta
I
go.
turned 22 in a month.
We're 27.
He's 27. She's older than me,
I'm 27.
No, I turned 21.
What will you guys name your firstborn?
but Austin.
Number 94.
Austin.
Do you know where Austin, Texas is?
Yes, I've been
Well,
there.
my firstborn is gonna be a girl, and it's gonna be named Austin.
Wait, Austin.
A girl named Austin?
Whoa, wait. Your name is Austin?
No, his name's Ryan.
Derek.
Derek.
Derek. Why are you from Texas? Why? This is getting boring. I don't really know what else to say. This is Derek's friends. This is our friends. I don't know why they got their meals and we didn't. Honestly, like Katie's, whatever that boy is, Ryan, Derek, something. He paid for
Number
us,
92.
not us. But he paid for us. So I'm like, okay, like no worries. Like that's awesome. Oh,
Number.
he's trying 91. I don't know. I'm on top of it. They're like, what's the number?
95.
Not us. They're like, what's the number? And I'm like, chill. It's 91. But yeah, it's. Not well. We're home for the night. It's pretty late, so.
We did meet our true love. Only me.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
I met my true love.
I think it.
But here's the thing. He's ugly. He bought me and Danielle's dinner.
I'm
so
down.
We don't love him, but we'll
We
take
love
his
him.
money.
Right. And I think he's actually in the vlog. You might have already seen him.
I can't wait for you to see him.
I can.
Yeah.
Guys, okay, he is not cute. He just has gap teeth. I used to have gap teeth. It's fine.
overall,
It's fine.
He's not cute.
It's not even the worst thing about
But
it.
he bought us mozzie sticks, fries, and pizza fries. So like,
He was in the top 6
is he the worst?
kissers.
No.
Oh.
Really?
He was desperate.
Top 6. Definitely desperate, but
So yeah, we just got home. It's really late.
He also
It's
may
so
look
late.
not
So
even
late.
21 yet.
We're
Yeah,
so.
like, I
There's a good.
Maria is done.
Dead.
Anna, what are you?
Maria has never been known for.
Anna is just Anna. Rachel, she's done too. She's ready for bed. I think we're all pretty much ready for bed. So, oh, there's Bear. She really wait.
Bear.
Bear.
Okay, we gotta go.
Anna will also be in the Poconos with us, along with that one. Maria. So yeah, if we don't go to
Can't
March,
wait.
yeah, we'll see you in Poconos. It's gonna be the greatest vlog ever invented. So.
Will you bring my PJs?
Yeah, I don't know where we're gonna
What?
end this vlog. We
Am I putting on
we
your
might like
PJs?
extend it until
Oh yeah.
tomorrow. Who knows? I mean, we try to do once a week for you guys, but who knows what it ends up to be. Okay, I don't know if we're ending this right now. If we do, see you guys next week. If we don't, see you guys in the next clip. Bye. About wearing our Apple Watches.
I don't know. She didn't even,
Ow!
she didn't even fucking have any recruitment.
Okay, do it again. Do it again.
Don't punch me though. Wait, what am I? Okay.